Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for smart software walkthroughs and tech tutorials made simple. In today's video, we are diving into Intuit ProConnect Tax Online, the cloud-based tax software trusted by professionals to simplify tax preparation, e-filing, and client management. Whether you're a tax pro looking to streamline your workflow or you're just getting started and want to learn how to navigate this platform, you are in the right place. So let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do, visit the official website of Intuit ProConnect Tax. On the top corner, you have the ability to create an account here by clicking the sign in button. And then from here, you need to follow the on-screen instructions. So at this point, it's very important to provide as much as information as you can. All right, so it's going to be like under 60 or under 50. You have to choose properly. All right, in my case, that's going to be under 50. And then you would notice that there is an option here that says try Intuit Pro Connect free, absolutely at no cost. You can click the button right here or click the button at the top right corner. Let's say we click this button right here. What will happen is, as you can see, your free trial is moments away. All right, so you just have to sign up for free. Let's do it right now. And then once you have successfully created an account here in Intuit ProConnect, you need to provide all the information needed. All right, it's very important for you. And as you may notice that there are a few steps along the way. And from here, you can be honest, all right? So what is your current tax software? Right now, I'm not using anything, so I'm just gonna, let's say new to tax prep and click the next button. And then from here, you can choose your role. For example, if you are a firm owner, sole proprietor, bookkeeper, tax consultant, tax admin, and a lot more. So we're gonna use that and how many members. If you want to add your members here, you can do so. But I'm just gonna click on next. Say for example, we have like 69 here. And then you need to type in a number. So we don't have anything yet in place. Say this one. Let's say 1040 or 990, 709, 1120. Maybe 10, maybe 1120. Okay, let's click that. And then select all that applies. So let's say I'm gonna be choosing all these. So it says optional. We're not gonna do that right now. All right, let's click on the next button. So what other tools you are using, if any, like Ignition, Smart Vault, SafeSend, Canopy, Tax Dome. But for now, we're just gonna skip it and click the Start Exploring. At this point, you want to make sure that you are using a VPN because that could interfere with the loading times. And as you may notice, that once you are logged in to the Intuit Pro Connect platform, it's very functional and the UI is clean. And on the left side panel, which is going to be the blue area, and obviously the welcome is the landing dashboard when you log in. So it gives you the quick access to recent returns, reminders, product updates, and helpful links. At the moment, since this is a newly created account, we don't have anything yet in place. But this acts as your home base for navigating ProConnect. And the convert data is simply a tool to import client information, or essentially like this is where you take all the prior year returns from other tax software. Right? It saves time by avoiding manual data entry, ensuring continuity if you're switching from competitors like Drake or ATX. Okay? Now, in speaking of the tax section, we have the tax returns. This is the main workspace where you prepare and file individual and business tax returns. So you have the ability to create your new return or create tax return. If you click on it, you need to select the existing client and click if you want to add a new one. Put out the all the information to add a new client because this is where you create their profile in 2024, 2025 return by importing their prior year like 1040. All right. And then if you want to create your new return, you can do so. It's similar to the creating a return. You just have to fill out some information at the bottom, right? But essentially, these includes federal, state, and local forms. All right. You have by e-file progress, by e-signature status, by return status, and by assignee. It provides smart input screens, diagnostics, and review tools to ensure accuracy. And then you have the tax plans. This is a proactive planning feature to help clients reduce tax liability. How? Let's see. If you want to click the try it now, you'll be forwarded to a new page. It lets you run what if scenarios like different filing status, deductions, or income levels. All right, which is really great for advising clients year round, not just at tax time. Since this is an add-in tools from Intuit, which is going to be your tax advisor, we're not going to deal with this. This requires a new deep dive. So we're hovering back again to the ProConnect because I'm going to show you around with the clients. The clients is a centralized directory of all your clients. You can add a new client if you want. Remember earlier, we have done that. And if you want to view inactive clients, you have the ability to do so. Now, it stores their personal information, tax return history, and notes. It integrates with Intuit Link, the secure client portal, and of course, you also have the e-file dashboard. It tracks the status of all the electronically filed tax returns. It shows stages like sent, accepted, rejected, or pending. It helps ensure no client filings fall through the cracks. And then you have the client portal, the Intuit Link. This is a secure online portal where clients can upload tax documents and answer questionnaires. It eliminates the need for paper or back and forth emails. And of course, it provides a more professional, seamless client experience. And then you have the reporting. The reporting provides insights into your tax practice performance, including reports on billing, productivity, return status, and e-filing stats. It helps with managing workflow and firm profitability. All right. Now you also have the QB accountant, which is going to be a QuickBooks accountant integration. With this, it's very helpful because it links ProConnect with QuickBooks Online Accountant to allow seamless data sharing between bookkeeping and tax preparation. So with this, it cuts down on manual entry errors and give accountants a unified platform. So we have been switching and dabbling between QuickBooks Accountant and of course the Intuit Connect Pro. So you can seamlessly integrate with between these two solutions, which is really handy because if you are using both the platforms, there is a seamless way to do that. And then we're going back again very quickly to the Connect Pro because I'm going to show you around with all these solutions. All right, so these are going to be all of the resources sections showcasing the entire suite of Intuit products and services. Again, you can include ProConnect Tax Online, Laserde, Pro Series, QuickBooks, and other accountants. Ignition, e-signature. These are other tools that is useful for exploring additional solutions for your firm or clients. And then, if you are curious about the pricing plans here in ProConnect, you would easily notice that it doesn't offer the pricing plans publicly. Instead, you need to contact the sales team, all right, so that they can offer a tailored fit solution depending on your business needs, business size, and of course, your budget. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching our walkthrough on how to use Intuit ProConnect Tax Online. And as you may notice, it makes it simple for tax professionals to manage returns, track lines, and e-file securely, all in one cloud-based platform. Whether you're running a solo practice or managing multiple clients, it's designed to save you time and keep everything organized. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.